Determine the signs for performing the transmission repair of BMW. Transmission is defined to be an important and essential part of the BMW. Moreover, it is used for transferring power created by the engine to the wheels. If the transmission has trouble operating, then it could make it difficult to move. When you notice the signs of a transmission problem, then it needs more extensive repairs. Expensive repairs. Make an appointment immediately for the below-defined signs of BMW transmission. Delay shifting. Problem in shifting is a clear indication of a transmission problem in your BMW. Due to the low tranny fluid and computer problems, you will notice the issues. Leaks in transmission fluid. Low transmission fluid can cause all sorts of the problem underneath the BMW. When you will spot leaks from the transmission, you need to address it with a mechanic. Grinding noise. One of the common problems in the transmission is the grinding noise in BMW. Grinding noise is a sign of poor lubrication that means it has low transmission fluid. Unable to keep gear. When you can't get into gear at all, make sure that it have transmission trouble. Depending on the issue, you are unable to get into one particular gear in your BMW. Erratic shifting. If the transmission seems to shift erratically, visit the shop immediately. Due to these problems, you can unable to perform the proper control of the BMW. If you have trouble with the transmission, consult with a mechanic immediately. Now the BMW mechanic can use the latest technology to pinpoint the problem. Visit us.